La 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 la. Okay. Let me see. Things are going fine. Da, da, da. My channel. Interesting. I got a chat. Apparently I didn't have this before. Okay. Sure. It's not like that's gonna come in useful right now. One watching. I'm assuming that's just me. I don't know. By the way, shout outs if there's actually someone in the chat. Thank you for stopping by. I probably won't interact with you that much, but I appreciate you in spirit. So we got this pretty square. Right, so I wanted to scroll this. How about B scroll and E scroll? And then both of those can be B scroll and E scroll. Both those can be 1. And what I actually wanted to do, so I have this game loop right here, and I have this render loop. Yeah, so I want to do the V blanks and the V syncs and all that stuff first. Do V blanks and V syncs first. Copy. Oh wait, this zeroes out memory. What I want to do is actually copy it. How am I? Oh, how would I actually copy from this data to? Yeah, how would I do something like a mem copy? I don't know that that's particularly easy. It might be. Let me see. I'll see to it. My mind's really blanking. I'm not sure what I was supposed to do. Oh, right. 6502. Codes. Instruction set. Right, and I want to know how to move from thing. Yeah, I'd like to load something. Wherever that happens to be. Oh, yes, okay. So I can load from absolute, or I can load from absolute x index. Oh, okay, I think this is the idea, is that you want to use absolute addressing. So what we would actually want to do here, right, and then right, so I have this and this, and then I can say this is dash data start, or data end, minus data start. So that's my y, and then I want, so I don't have to LDX that. What I can do is LDX dash data start, and then I can index by y. Am I right, or am I right? Yes. So I can load from data start, index that by y. I think I want to, yeah, I want to subtract one here as well. 1, wait, no. Does LDX and STX affect flags? They do affect flags, okay. I guess startup isn't really that performance heavy, so I might just be able to get away with a CPY or something and leave it at that. Well, wait, what about DEY? EEY. Oh, this is the negative flag, so I can use that to branch. Instead. Yeah, so what I actually want is to... What is it? Is there like a BLS or something? BN? So that's BNE. Branch on minus, that's what I want. Branch on minus. RAM set data. RAM set data. Okay. So I have this data, right, and I can do this, and so I load that, and I would also like to index data start. Wait, no. Wait, yes, that's exactly what I want. Yes, 7F. Why? Not 7F anymore. I want 80. BMI. I don't want BMI, actually. I want the opposite of that. How do I do that? PL. Okay. Even though that's not exactly true, but okay. Whatever, it's a nice mnemonic. Yep. Let me do something like 13. That's not actually what I want, but it's at least recognizable. Make. Well, I know that. What? I was here. So I know that's too much to be that. What? Because I wanted an absolute, right? And what line is this? This is, like, I know this. Is it LDY that's giving me problems? I don't know why it keeps quitting like that. I guess I could do make instead. Okay, fine. Let me just do 1 or something. Make. Nope, that's not it. So it is 20. So that's 2. Because I should be able to do an absolute address there. So that shouldn't be a problem. WA6502 absolute addressing. Can I do cache sign as like an implicit? Is that what they do there? No, that's not it. How do you do this again? .w? Really? Well, maybe that's just for the 65816. It's worth a try anyways. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh wow, it worked. Okay. Sure, .w. So I can do here is dash data end minus dash data start minus 1. Make. Okay. I can pull up Stella. Yep, everything looks good. I want to look at the. I wanted to look at the assembly though. Yes, so that memory has been set. Let me pull up NCS and jam to that little. Okay. Oh, do I also have the mic volume on? No, desktop audio is off. Okay, sweet. Exactly what I want. Great, so we have custom data. Now what I actually wanted to do is what I actually wanted to do was in the game loop, set play field based on scroll values. It's a bit weird. Because like the pay field's like 3 things. And so I sort of have to create 3 loops here because I want to do stuff based on the entire playfield. I guess I don't need to do that immediately. How about we make this like 8 or something and this 7 maybe? Okay, we'll see. Scroll loop? Sure. So I want to do LBY 7. dash roll update. So I want to compare y to e scroll cpy, right? Yes. And then that sets a bunch of flags. Wait. What does the v flag do? Because I thought cpy would like set pretty much every useful flag. I'm assuming v is overflow. In which case I just find it odd that it's not setting the overflow flag. Flags. Yeah, so overflow flag. I would have thought that would have set it, but okay. Yes, so I want cpx, or cpy, it's technically what I want. And so when so then when e scroll is a thing, then I want to, or when it's greater than e scroll, I don't want to render that. So there's branch PL, and there's branch MI, there's branch NE, and branch EQ. Oh wait, what is the result? So it's as if I've subtracted the memory from Y. So when E scroll is greater, that's going to be a negative result. So I want to quit out of that in that case. CPY E scroll. E scroll. And then when it's less, I want to also nope out of there. Otherwise, I would like to OR that value, or x0. Yeah, and then I don't want to do this anymore. And this is playfield. Disable that on. Is it E or is it ORR? No, that's not it. Because I want just an inclusive or A. Oh, it's always to the accumulator. So what I probably actually want to do is not use X here, but A, so that then I can... yeah, so then I can actually OR that. Does there really have to be an absolute address? That's interesting. No, it has the option to use a 0 page. Yeah, that's what I want to do then. Or a, what is it? Yeah, what is it? PF2. Let's use PF2. So then I do that. And then I wanted decrement y, and then I want to branch if it's not negative. I want to go back to scroll loop. Similarly, I would like to shift right. That's a thing, right? Maybe they call it an LSR? Yes. Oh, and they set the carry flag. Interesting. So I want to clear that before I do anything else. Which was SCC, if I remember correctly, right? Yep. No, that sets the carry flag. What is it? CEC? CLC? Yes, that was CLC. Okay. So I want to clear the carry flag. And then I can do LSR. LSRA. And so this sets the individual bits based on the scroll values. Okay. Let's see how that goes. It is completely black. Nice. Let me see memory. Oh. What I'd really like to see is the TI average. Yes, there we go. Thank you. So I did that. Okay, so P0 and P1 are 0. What about P2? Where is P2? Wait, where's P2? Seriously. Oh, that's player. Okay. Okay, so that's not getting set at all. I should be compiling with debug information so that I don't have to try as hard to sort of search through things. Next time. Yes, I think I want to put a breakpoint here. Or a breakpoint approximately here. Okay, so then I want to run it. And then I forgot how you, like, step. Step. Control S, okay. Oh, I think I might have inverted those conditions actually. So on minus for E scroll, well that's E scroll. What is E scroll again? E scroll 7. Wait, and that's Y minus M. Oh, so that subtraction always turns out positive, actually. So So I want this. Was it m minus y or y minus m cpy? Y minus m. So when I compare this to 8, it's 7. So that would be minus, which jumps to here, which I don't want. I want it to be PL. Well, I guess then I would change this back to 7. Yeah, so on PL I actually go here. Yeah, so when y is greater than e scroll, I want to jump, and when y is less, or when y is greater than or equal to b scroll, then I'm completely cool with that. Yeah, so I wanted those conditions inverted. Now I should actually get something. Oh, I saw the breakpoint. Okay, that's still not giving me anything. Look at the TIA again. Right, and then I want to go here again. Run. Yep. So on plus what? Okay, so the negative flag is set. So that shouldn't be branching, and it doesn't. Okay. So then that's not set. Okay, so that sets that. What? Wait, what is the A register? That should definitely be, it should definitely be setting something. That I'm not sure why that's not setting anything. Just send what are the PF registers. That is where that is, right? Let me look at the PDF again. Oh boy. Great. Okay. What is it? So this is PF2. Wait, PF2 is at 0F, but what? Wait, what does Ori do actually? Because I think I totally screwed that up. For oh, that did the complete opposite of what I actually wanted. Okay. Can I do a bitwise OR? Maybe an Eeyore is good enough, I guess. If I can't find like just a bitwise ore with memory, I'll resort to an Eeyore. Okay. I guess we're using Eeyore. Yeah, okay, it's a bit annoying. We can make it work. Wait, so that. Okay, actually, that seems like that's not how it works. Basically, ever. Interesting. So it's always with the accumulator. I can never do that with memory. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, in which case I'll just use X, right? Right. Can I do a roar on X? Or a left shift on X? Because I would like just something like that. No, it looks like I have to use memory. Huh. Which, I mean, is fine. I guess I can resort to a temporary variable. So there's a bit task. Is there a bit set also? Don't think so. I think it's just a bit test. Maybe I can use X as a temporary variable, actually. So I can say LD. It's LDX, right? LDX. Can I do LDX on A? I can't. That is. Wait. Can I move A to X? I don't know that I can, actually. Oh, you can transfer. Okay, that's what they call it. Do they call it a tax? Yes, they do call it tax. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do tax. Tax, and this transfers A to the accumulator, or this transfers A to X. Yes. Okay. And so what I can then do, and then TXA. Yeah. So what I can do is then for A2 PF2. And then I can STA PF2. And that gets me exactly what I want. There you go. That's what I want. Although it kind of looks a bit funny. Um... Yeah, it just was strange. Did I, like, go slow on one of the lines? Okay, supposedly this is what it's supposed to look like? Maybe? Okay, I guess we go to the top. Yeah, we'll just see what exactly is going on here. What? Oh, okay. Okay, let's run that again, actually. Yes, this is actually what I want to step through, though. Oh, I think this might be my problem here, is that I'm not really making it on time. Yeah, and so every other time I actually make it. Or no, it's just there that I don't make it. Huh. Hmm. Yeah, the thing is, what I would really like to do is I guess something I can do is that these aren't very many instructions, so maybe I could move some of these H-blank weights to here. Because I sort of had to get this timing quite exact, which is a bit meh. But we can sort of make it work. Yeah, I think that's just kind of what might be ideal here in this case. Okay, and H blank weight remaining lines. Set up weight field bars, then loop through vars. And h blank wait. Actually, now might be a good time to study more TIA variables because I kind of don't want to be this exact, like accidentally. Okay, so what do we have? Clear, wait for leading it, right? Okay, I think you really do need to be that exact because I know a lot of consoles like the Game Boy and the NES and all that kind of thing, Sega Genesis too, and all that. They allow you to like wait for a V blank and then you can do your thing, but that doesn't look like something we can do on the Atari. And so I kind of have to be kind of precise here. Then wait on H blank. Okay. H blank equals 1. Yeah, I'll just kind of be counting on the comments. We'll say it goes to 1. H blank goes to 1. H blank goes to 8 in this case, I think. Or 9. No, I think it's 9 in this case. And this is H blank to 37. So this would be like 28. And I want to actually H blank wait here. Yeah, like around here. Should probably put CLC here actually. Yeah. JSR H blank. Wait. Oh wait, but H blank wait requires 1. Oh, I could just say STA wsync. I sort of forgot I could just do that. STA wsync. And then JSR H blank wait. Okay. Let's see it. Let's see how cool it is. There we go. That looks much better. Let me actually, because I want to check where the TIA, I don't know if you call it a pointer, but where exactly that is. Knowing where that is would be good. Yeah, so I want to do this here. Run Oh wait, yes, I would like to actually run until here. Oh, so I'm actually a little bit off. Which is totally fine, we just need to sort of adjust that. How many lines are we down? Does it actually say the line here? So that's IO. I think it kind of looks like 4. So we'll try that first. Oh, yep. Don't want to break point anymore. It's not 4. Maybe it was 8 actually. That's sort of what it looks like here. Wait, so before it was 24. Yeah, let me try 18 actually. 27. Okay, now let's go back to the console. Right, yes, here. I might just consider it good enough for now. No, let's get it a bit closer. How about 12? 21. Maybe some of these are accidentally taking like 2 H blanks. I actually don't really know. That could entirely be possible. Which is fine. It's the timing's pretty exact, so I just have to know what the timing is. But something to keep in mind. All right. Run it back. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Yep. I actually got a genuine start. What did I have? I had like 28 before. Yeah, so that might actually be what's happening, is that some of them take 2 H blanks, and I'm not really making that very quickly. Again, it's fine if they take 2. It's just something you need to keep in mind. Now, what did I want to do again? Right, okay. So now, updates all variables. So I can increment memory, right? Yes, I can increment memory. Can I also and memory? I think it's just the accumulator, but that's fine. Okay. So I can do LDA #7 and or what I can do is inc B-scroll? Yeah, inc B-scroll. And B-scroll. Or not B-scroll. Or actually what I can do is then... No, I can't do that. Never mind. So inc B-scroll, then... I mean, I guess what I can... No, actually. So... Is it LDA? LDA. Yes. LDA B-scroll and #7 STA B-scroll. Okay, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. B-scroll? B-scroll. Yes. Make. What? Circle. What? Circle. Okay, let's But yeah, you could sort of see I was trying to do something cool like that. And instead I just got epilepsy. I shouldn't joke about that, but that kind of hurt my eyes. Oh yeah, so I should just be able to make a symbol file. Actually, I should... Yeah, so I think I'm going to be done for the game now. Ow. Okay. Yeah, so I'm done with the game for now. But I want to know how to make symbol files. WA symbol file. You add an S to it. And that's the link file. Or that's the linker. Looks like. Yeah, okay. Make that. So you add -s. -s. Make. No targets. Oh, right, I changed the path so that it doesn't do. Or I'm in bash right now, so that doesn't work. What is it, command/C? About that? Okay, whatever, I'll take it. Now do symbols work? So that loaded okay, supposedly. But, what? So the symbol file loaded. But I'm not seeing symbols. I thought I was gonna get... What? I thought I was gonna get pretty symbols. Right, I was supposed to get things like this. What? Oh, interesting. They put the cycle counts here. Okay, just noticed that. But what? I thought I was gonna get symbols. I thought it was gonna be easier to debug because I was gonna get symbols. Did I forget to mention I thought I was gonna get like actual symbols, like actual names besides LF002? Which, don't get me wrong, those are fire names, but that's not exactly what I was looking for. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Sure. Okay. Well, that was cool. Yeah, that was just a little bit of experimentation. You know, sometimes I like to play with new things without actually doing anything useful with my life. So that was sort of one of those times. Next time we'll actually start to look into making the Pong game and see if we can do something cool with that. Yeah, but otherwise I'm very happy with how things turned out. And we will close the stream, and I will see you all next times.